Hello guys, what's up everybody? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, I'm Disney. For the returning subscribers, thank you so much for really supporting your girl. And if you're new to the channel, karibu sana. So guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how I styled and installed this pretty beautiful wig, and it's very beginner friendly. You don't have to have a lot of products for you to slay or install your wig. And also guys, note that this wig is not new. Like, I have had this wig for almost 1 year. Actually, this month marks 1 year since I had the wig, and I have used it a lot of times. And you can also watch my previous videos on how I maintain and wash my wigs at home. That will really help you in maintaining your wig, and that's why you can see my wig looks as good as new. Yeah, wigs do require maintenance. For it to last you longer, you need to maintain it. So guys, go and watch that video. This is how the wig looks like I am just from washing it. So I'm just applying the concealer on the lace. If you have foundation, you can also use that. The purpose of this is to match the lace color to your skin color. Make sure you brush it out and blend it so well that it looks very natural. This is what I use for installation. I like it because it doesn't damage the edges of your hair. Also, it works the same way as the yellow got to be spray. Just applying that on my skin where the lace is going to sit. For this, if you have a fan, you can use that, but since I did not have a fan, I used a blow dryer, but on low heat because you don't want to burn your skin. The purpose of this is just to fasten the process of drying for the got to be glue. Also, if you don't have a blow dryer or a fan, no worries. You can just apply the glue on your skin and wait for it to become tacky, and then press the wig on your skin. So guys, as I was doing the blow drying, my baby hair got mixed up, so I had to redo that again. For me guys, I normally see that the lesser the baby hairs, the better they look. I'm still using the got to be glue to lay down the edges. And the lesser the got to be glue on the edges, the better, cause it won't leave the white stuff on your hair. And by the way guys, I have never trimmed like the baby hairs or anything. Like I prefer using the wig the way it is. Yeah, that's just me. You can trim your baby hairs if you like to. So I'm just wetting my hair in the closure part because my wig by now was so dry, and then I'll apply the hair oil, the wig oil onto that part, the closure part. Then just tying it down with my silk scarf, covering the baby hair area and the closure part. This helps the closure part to stay more flat on the head, so you don't have to use a flat iron or a blow dry or a hot comb. I let it sit that way as I was doing my makeup. This is how it looked after some time. Like my baby hairs are laid down, the edges are on flick, the wig is safely secured. So I'm just wetting my hair with water only. Like I prefer water only rather than water and conditioner, because that concoction or mixture weighs down the hair somehow. Like it clogs the wig, it makes it more dirty, and I normally don't want that. I prefer putting conditioner in the method that I use during my wash days. So guys, if you haven't checked my video on how I wash my wigs at home, kindly do so. Then taking the wig oil and applying it on the wig. Guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to click on the notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Till next time, bye.